Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this series. And today I want us to have a form or a program that will help us calculate the area of a circle once a user enters the radius. So we'll create a new PHP file, right? So have that. Then immediately we are done with this, right? Because it's a PHP file, right? We have to close that, enter. So we want a user to enter his data in a form. So what do? Create an HTML file. Right, I can have the title of the document. I can call it area. Then I can have the form. I can have the form action. I'll use the same file. Index.php. Sorry, index.php. Then the method. The method is posts because of security reasons, so many other reasons. So we want the user to enter and so have input type it's text, then can say it's radius equals to radius, sorry, radius, then can say plus enter the radius in centimeters. Once you have this, right, that is the formula for us, right? We will now create a form. So I want us to have a browser and see what happens in our browser. See what happens in our browser. So this is now what we have. Enter the radius in centimeters, but we need a button here that will help us to tell the user calculate. So for us to do that, get back to our get back to our VS Code. Back to our VS Code. Bit of a problem, maybe. So we are supposed to add that. So here after this line, this let me just enter here so that I have here a break. Then I have a button. Instead of submit, let's say calculate. Calculate. And you save that. So if you look at this, you now have the option for calculating. So the next thing is now to have a PHP, right? The next thing is to have our PHP. So for us to have the PHP, so we move downwards up to where PHP is, so we can delete that. And they can also delete this space, right? So the first thing is we need to calculate a variable for radius, and remember that this radius is given from the form which we are doing and which we are posting. So what do we do? So we define that the variable radius, you can say radius is equals to, then this radius is, we are getting it from, right, this one after the user enter the radius. So we have, so we say that one is equals to underscore post, right, underscore post, then if that post, so we are having what, the radius. So the name of the reach is radius. Then we need to calculate the radius, and the radius, the area. So the second variable is area, which is given by radius times pi, which is 3.14, 3.142, whichever. Let's use 3.142. Then after this, we need to display. So I'll say echo, don't do echo, say the echo, then which appears in double quotes. I can say area of the circle with the radius, give the name of the radius, variable radius is, then the variable area, then say square units, right, square units. So once we have this, I can save it. Once you have this, then we shift to the browser. So here's a browser. I can say enter the radius, let's say 7. Calculate the area of 7 is 153.958 squared. If it is 14, calculate the area is that. If it is 56, the area is that. If it is 144, the area is that. If it is 154, that is the area. If it is 10, that is the area.